following any recipes.
Soap and scrub brushes.
We started with the vodka.
I like anything spicy.
I'm going to show you how easy it really is to make.
How to put together an outfit. We want you to do everything that you feel good about. These are so good, y'all. Don't mind me, because
we can, and you can too. Hi, I'm Caplan.
And I'm Stacy Johnson. Welcome to Because We Can.
Awesome. Well, we're in your kitchen. What are we doing? I see some fish.
Today we are going to make salmon simply. We're not following any recipes. We're not doing anything.
Okay, a little of this, a little of that.
Exactly. You know, it's not hard to make fish at home, even though a lot of people think it is. Good gosh, knows I did.
Yeah. It smells.
Okay, it only smells when it's old. So don't get old fish. Buy it fresh. Buy it the day of or day before, but not after that. So then when you cook it,
I can follow those rules.
Okay, we can follow a couple rules, but other than that, we're just going to make this really easy. So just to let you know the setup that we've done before, I preheated my oven to 425, so it's already good to go. I put the salmon on a pan with some foil underneath.
And you want olive oil underneath the salmon?
No.
Okay,
only
straight on the foil.
Top. Yes, straight on the foil. Now we're going to add a little bit of this olive oil. Whatever you like. I happen to like one with a touch of lemon on it. A little bit of that.
Lemon on fish is always a good thing, right?
So good.
Yum.
And then you don't have to squirt the lemon on it yourself because it's already flavored.
Nice.
So then the next thing I use is whatever store brand you happen to like of seafood seasoning. That way you don't have to do too many.
Because they've already done the work for you. They figured out what works good on seafood. So you got to trust that process, right?
And I do.
Okay.
So look, y'all, we are just adding a bunch of seasoning here because I like flavorful foods. I'm from Texas, and I like anything spicy.
All right, but this blend does not have spice.
It has a touch, but it's not necessarily spicy.
Okay.
So add a little bit of that. I feel like you can't go wrong with pink salt.
Of course.
Pink's my favorite flavor. Pink's my favorite color. Love pink. So
we're learning something about Stacy today.
Aren't we?
Pink.
So a little bit of salt. There you go. Then we are going to put a little bit of black pepper.
You know, I watch a lot of cooking shows and competitions, and I can't tell you how many times I hear them say, "You didn't salt that. You didn't put pepper on it."
You have to put seasonings on it.
Right.
I mean, hello. It doesn't taste bland. Who wants to be bland? Whoa. No, we're going to add a little bit of thyme here. I like this fancy one. I don't know why. The glass bottle kind of cute.
It looks pretty.
It speaks to me. So we are going to add a little bit. See how just the texture makes it look pretty? So I like to try to make it look fancy, even though it's really not.
All right, you've got a huge piece of fish here.
It's almost, I think it's about 3 pounds because I feel like we just need to have enough for everybody.
Well, you've got a big family as well, so you're probably going to eat this. Big eaters, key.
Okay.
Awesome.
So now here's the other part of the key. We are going to add a top piece, and you guys, this is clean cooking too. And I don't mean clean as in just healthy. I mean it's easy cleanup. So we are just going to add this little top piece of foil, cover it up, make sure it's...
I love this because Stacy's teaching me something here.
I'm teaching that everybody can cook fish because like I said...
Yeah, you've encapsulated it into...
So the oils aren't going to really drop out. It's going to keep everything clean.
A foil pocket.
Right.
Love it.
A little foil pocket. So now we are just going to open it up.
I could have probably opened that for you.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you. I'm just going to stick it in here.
All right, not too, like middle rack.
I feel like I need to clean my oven too.
No, don't worry about that.
So what I have found in my testing of this, because it's trial and error sometimes, I am setting it at 425 for 25 minutes. I have found that 25 minutes is the perfect amount of time Is it going to ever get there for me? There we go. 25 minutes is the perfect time for cooking salmon at 425. So we're going to leave this in here for 25 minutes, come back and show you how beautiful this simple piece of salmon is going to be. We are going to take the salmon out because it is ready. It's cooked for 25 minutes at 425. This is so good. I am so excited to show you what we've done. Okay, I'm just going to start unwrapping this a little bit to show you how simple it is now that it's out of the oven. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It smells so good. Doesn't it, Laura?
It does. Oh my gosh. I'm guessing you're going to need a spatula and a fork.
So I'm not fancy around here. I am just going
Well, you're fancy, just not too fancy.
So I'm just going to cut a little piece off for us to try. So cut here.
Girl, that's a huge piece. But
isn't that
we'll go with it.
And I don't obviously like the skin at the bottom, so I am just going to try to get it off this one.
That looks
Doesn't
actually
that look
delicious. I do smell it, but it's not overwhelmingly fishy.
It's not going to be fishy
right.
at all. I'm going to let you have that piece.
You can keep that fork. We have forks over here.
And we are going to taste this beauty.
It looks perfectly cooked. Like I'm surprised, but not.
See, we're going to get that sticky part off. We do not want
well, that's
that.
the skin. Yeah.
It is not tasty. Okay. See, again, not fancy. It's going to be good.
Look at how flaky it is.
Okay.
It smells delicious. And that lemon from the oil comes through.
And the seasonings. Look, you guys, this is so good. Simply salmon. Few seasonings, and there we go. We would love to hear from you. We want you to click on our link, subscribe. Let us know what you would like us to do. Make, try on. Come on, give us some ideas. Right?
Who knows?
Who knows
what we can do? Because
we can.
And you can too.